Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding a la mode. First, decide on your favorite pudding flavor and a complimentary ice cream. Next, gather your serving dishes and any desired toppings like whipped cream or sprinkles. This simple dessert is perfect for any occasion and comes together quickly with just a few steps. Let's get started on creating this delightful treat. Preparing the pudding is the first key step. Follow the package instructions carefully for your chosen flavor, whether it's chocolate, vanilla, or butterscotch. Once cooked, transfer the pudding to serving dishes or a larger bowl. It's crucial to chill the pudding thoroughly for at least 2 hours, ensuring it sets perfectly for a delightful texture. You can even make it the day before. Now for the exciting part, assembly. Once your pudding is perfectly chilled and firm, scoop a generous portion into individual serving bowls. Next, add 1 or 2 scoops of your chosen ice cream directly on top of the pudding. The contrast of warm or cool pudding with cold ice cream is what makes this dessert so special. Work quickly to keep the ice cream from melting too fast. To truly elevate your pudding a la mode, consider adding some delicious toppings. A drizzle of chocolate or caramel sauce is always a classic choice. You could also sprinkle on some chopped nuts, cookie crumbs, or even fresh berries. For a final flourish, a dollop of whipped cream and a maraschino cherry make it extra special. Serve immediately and enjoy this delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.